We have selected a few typical busbar accessories from GRL to demonstrate the installation. This is the busbar support. We need to take out the screws on the front of the busbar support. Snap the copper bars horizontally into the side holes of the busbar support and tighten the screws. This is the adapter. When installing, we first loosen the screws above the adapter. Hang the groove behind the adapter on the copper bar and then tighten the screws. From the back we can see that the groove of the adapter has been tightly snapped onto the copper bar. This is the terminal board. First, remove the lid, install the terminal strip in place and the locks to limit the copper bar. Install the cables. Install the lid. This is the miniature circuit breaker adapter. Push the adapter horizontally and mount it to the copper bar. After the adapter is installed in place, the locking piece jams the copper bar. Vertical push-down adapter. This is also an adapter, and the installation method is the same as above. This is the busbar clamp. Fix the busbar clamp to the copper bar. Unscrew the bolt above the busbar clamp to load and secure the cable. This is the busbar cover. Slightly break the gap on one side of the busbar cover by hand to snap it onto the copper bar. This is the end cover. There is a card slot design on the end cover, and the card slot is aligned with the gap above the end cover and clamped, which is the installation is successful. The purpose of this move is to prevent electric shock. Look, this is the front and side of the system after the installation is complete. GRL can provide customized busbar system solutions according to customer needs. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.